This next piece of equipment is a personal favorite. It's called a lever arm curl. It's used for training the biceps. It only has one piece on it that actually adjusts or moves. That's the seat. So once you have the seat to the proper height, you come down into it, lay your arm across the top. Now when you have your arm across the top here, you want it in contact with the entire back of your arm. You don't want to be up too high on the seat to where your elbows are digging in. That way you get the proper alignment and you get the proper range of motion going. So once your weight's selected, grab a hold, get into her, and start into your set. Once you're done, just rest it back down, come up, and you're all set.